Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and I'm here with another Sunday sew along. So this sew along actually went up a few days ago, a little bit earlier on the 1st, but I just wanted to talk really quickly about my version here and then point you in the direction of the sew along if you'd like to make your own. This is the Selwyn top from Cashmerette. This is June's pattern of the month, so their Cashmerette Club pattern of the month. It is a button-up pin tuck blouse that features a ruffle that kind of creates a sleeve a little bit, goes into the princess seam there, or you can leave the ruffle off and just have a really nice sleeveless bound armhole. I mean, the armhole is also bound on on the one with the ruffle, but it just makes for a wonderful little sleeveless blouse, something a little bit different, and the pin tucks across the front are really, really beautiful as well. Now, this also has a sister pattern. I love when they do that. You can actually put the Vernon sleeves onto this top. So you can put the straight sleeve with the narrower cuff or the lantern sleeve that comes with the Vernon can both go onto this top, as well as the hidden button placket. You can also put the hidden button placket onto this shirt if you would like as well, just to create something a little bit different. So you can basically turn the Vernon into a really cool banded collared shirt as opposed to the standard button-up collared shirt. I love the Vernon. It's a wonderful shirt, and I really love this version of the Selwyn as well. Love that you can mix and match them. I have made the size 10 with the GH cup and graded out to the 12 at the waist, and then I just left it the size 12 for the, because it's a shorter shirt, so I just left it the size 12 once I graded out at the waist. That seems to work really, really well. I did shorten it 1 inch at the waist, which is common for me for Cashmerette patterns because I am short-waisted and I prefer to lose the length right there at the waist to bring the narrowest part of the pattern up to my narrowest part as well. I am so excited to wear this all summer long. I used a Nanny Eero double gauze for mine. This is a cotton double gauze, Nanny Eero for Coca, and it is stunning. It is a border print, so I played around with some of the different elements, you know, a little bit less here and, you know, the heavier bits of the floral here. Did all of the floral bits here on the back, just kind of played around with it a little bit, and then I have obviously the less florally bits here and the collar as well. I've obviously done the ruffle, which I wasn't sure how I'd like that on my body, but I don't know, I'm really kind of liking it. Something a little different for me, and I'm glad that I tried this out. I think that that's good to put ourselves outside of our comfort zones every now and again, and I'm really happy that I did that. And I think this is going to get worn a ton with my new Taryoko skirt from Itch to Stitch as well, my new white denim skirt. It's like a match made in heaven, and as well as white jeans, shorts. I just have a feeling this is going to be kind of a dressed up blouse for me for my summer wardrobe. All right, guys, I'm going to send you over to the sew along. I've linked it both up here as well as in the description box below. I know that this is a little bit shorter one for Sunday sew along, but I do have a much longer video to send you over for if you've missed that one, and I walk you through making this from start to scratch. All right, guys, I hope you have a good Sunday, and I'll see you again on Tuesday. Bye.